Wanna connect your SANSUI Smart TV with webOS to the internet using an Ethernet cable? This is really easy, so here's how to set up a wired internet connection in just a few steps. So first you just have to press the settings button on your remote and go to all settings. Now select the general, then scroll down and open network. So here you may see that the wired connection is not connected. So now to connect it, you just have to grab an Ethernet cable and make sure your router has an active internet connection. Now plug one end of the Ethernet cable into the LAN or Ethernet port on the back of your Sansui TV. Then plug the other end into any available LAN port on your router. So once both ends are connected, you just have to wait a few seconds and you can see your TV should automatically detect the connection and show connected to internet under wired connection. And that's it. Your Sansui Smart TV is now connected to the internet through Ethernet, giving you a faster and more stable connection for streaming. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for staying tuned with Fix 269 till the end.